Hi everybody, back here EMD Automotive, and I'll show you what I'm doing today. I'm replacing a rear tail shaft or rear Cardan shaft on the Cayenne. A lot of vibration from underneath the car, and what I found was the actual center bearing is torn apart. That's the old one. That's a brand new one. It comes complete with the whole shaft, which is better than the actual, when they come complete, they actually balance, and then the whole shaft is balanced, so there's no vibration. Some people put a repair kit for it, but I won't recommend it, because if you don't care about the slight vibration after you do it, then you can actually do the repair kit. But see how this is all, it's got balanced weights on the actual shaft, so it's been balanced from factory. So like this one here, balance. So it goes between your diff, that's your rear diff there, between there and your gearbox transfer case. Alright, that's where it goes to. Bit awkward to get to, but you can still do it in the car. Drop the exhaust down. Some models you got to remove the rear bar and the rear exhaust. It's just depending on the models you have. But yeah, just finishing. I'll go for a road test, and I'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.